If you're trying to get free stuff on Temu in 2026, but nothing is working, no reward screen, no free item, no clear process, this video will walk you through it step by step, the way it actually works right now. No shortcuts, no guessing. Before we start, I've placed the latest working Temu Free Gift code right here on screen. It's also in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes in case Temu rotates this one. First, understand what this is. Temu Free Gift is not a simple giveaway, it's a promotion system. That means you can get items, but only after proper activation, and only if the system recognizes your entry. That's where most people fail. Step 1. Start with the promotion, not the app. Do not open Temu first. Instead, click the first link in the description. This tells Temu you're entering through a free gift campaign. If you open Temu normally, the app may never show the event. Step 2. Activate the promotion. Once the page opens, scan the QR code if on phone, or use manual activation. This step connects your session to the promotion. Only after this, open Temu. Step 3. Confirm the event is active. When you open Temu, check for Free Gift section, Reward interface, Item selection screen. If you don't see these, the activation didn't go through. Repeat Step 1 and Step 2. Step 4. Enter the free gift code. Now enter the code shown on screen. This links your account to the current promotion cycle. At this point, the system should respond, not stay silent. Step 5. Follow the event. Flow Temu will guide you through a few actions. These can include browsing categories, checking deals, interacting with sections. These steps are part of unlocking the reward. Step 6. Unlock and claim. After completing the required steps, the item becomes available. You can claim the reward. Temu allows you to proceed. Just remember, available items vary depending on the promotion. Important reality check. Let's keep it honest. This system is real. People do get items. It's not instant, it's not guaranteed. Some campaigns may require more effort. Why this method works? Because you're entering correctly, activating before browsing, following the system flow, not relying on random steps. That's the difference. Final takeaway. If you've tried before and it didn't work, it wasn't the code, it was the method. Follow this step by step properly and you'll at least see the system respond. And if you try it now, comment what you see. Did it finally trigger or not? I want real results from you.